project manager for the project, and I'm based in Australia. I'm a fisheries consultant. I'm working with CP, Omega, and also the stakeholder groups that you've met here today. I'm going to be working with the stakeholder group to help implement what's called the Fishery Improvement Project. Fishery Improvement Project is an alliance of stakeholders who want to make changes to their fishery to improve its sustainability. Yeah, that fishery assessment which we spoke about, and then the work plan. So that will probably take us about a year to get that finalised, because the work plan is a pretty big job. All of this will be reported publicly, and so people can see what we're doing and when we're going to do it by. And as Amal said, and as my experience shows, it often takes quite a number of years. But when in my old job in Australia, my boss was a commercial fisherman. He said,
"It's estimated to be 2.3 lakh metric tons in India, and in India, and it has been declining since 2012."
What is the rate of, there is a degrowth or still there is a growth? What is the
No, the landings have come down drastically. Now it is only 68,000 tons. As in 2015, that is an 82% fall in the landing of oil sardine. This is due to several factors, including environmental and ecological factors, and some factors like overfishing and fishing of juveniles have been attributed to the decline of oil sardine fishery.